given two strings, text1 and text2. You have to return the length of their longest common subsequence. Now, you might be tempted to solve it with exponential recursion, that is, by trying all possible subsequences. Let me tell you why this approach doesn't make sense. By trying all possible subsequences, each decision branches into two recursive calls. So if you have a string of length 10 each, that's already 1000 recursive paths. And for strings length 20 to 30, it explodes into millions of paths. And not just this, with deep recursion and large strings, the call stack may exceed limits and crash, which is definitely not something you want in an interview or production. And that is why we'll solve this question with bottom-up dynamic programming, as DP solves it by breaking the problem into sub-problems, reusing results, and avoiding recomputation. Here's how the code looks like. Take two strings text1 and text2 and return the length of their LCS. Store lengths of the two strings in NNM. This avoids repeatedly calling text1 and text2 inside loops. Create a 2D DP table with size n+1 into m+1. Iterate through each character of text1. For each character of text1, iterate through all characters of text2. If current characters match, we extend the LCS by 1. Characters don't match, we can either skip the current character of text1 or current character of text2. We then take the maximum of the two, finally return the value at bottom right of the table. Comment below DSA to get the explanation doc in your DMs and follow Akiojob for more such breakdowns.